great day sa inyo mga ka-AI. Welcome! Nandito tayo sa New Delhi, India. Dahil nasa event tayo ng pinakamalaking technology at AI event dito sa region na to. Ito ay ang IndiaSoft 2026. Actually, dito sa event na to, ang daming expo na nangyayari. So, nandito tayo sa pinakamalaking, sabi nga nila, India's Best Technology Expo. Merong Convergence Media Expo. Nandyan yung Smart Living, Smart Mobility, Electronics and Computer Software Expo, yung IoT. Ako sobrang happy ako nandito. Marami tayong mamimit, makikilala, at pag-uusapan natin yung bagong technology. So mamaya, makikita nyo ako, iikot at mag-interview tayo ng mga bago nating mga makikilala. Actually, maraming expo ang nangyayari dito. Talaga nakafocus sa technology. Diba? Bagong teknolohiya. Yan, sa likod ko, Tesla. Yan dun yung robot ng Tesla at yung sasakyan. Iba-ibang sasakyan nandito. And I'm sure mga ano na to, mga hybrid or basta smart cars. The world's first wearable thermoelectric system. Hydro vest, thermo. So para sa katawan niya ata yan, no? So, merong smart temperature control. Kailangan mag-adapt at mag-innovate sa bagong teknolohiya. Kailangan pa rin to keep in mind yung sustainability and to have a smarter living. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng smarter living na yan? So dapat mas nagiging maayos, efficient yung buhay natin sa future, pero dapat hindi siya nakakasira, lalo na sa environment. Kasi yung environment talagang ang hirap i-restore niyan pag na-damage, which is sobrang damage na ng mundo natin. Interesado ako dun sa smart glass na yun. Pero kasi ito guys, yung mga nag-e-expo, yung mga exhibitors dito talagang B2B. So kailangan na nagne-negosyo ka rin para mapakinabangan mo yung mga bagong teknolohiya. Ngayon kung ikaw ay isang business owner, kailangan nauuna ka sa mga bago. Kasi pag luma ka, walang bibili sa'yo. Meron man, pero mauubusan ka rin ng mga customers. So, importante ang bagong kaalaman. Yan ang mga tunay na innovation, guys. Hindi yung basta-basta lang. Hindi yung dahil ganito o ganyan. Ito talaga yung mga teknolohiya na makakatulong. You have to expose yourself to events like this kahit once in your life para magbigay lang ng bagong perspective. So meron tayong mga bagong kakilala. So ito, mga estudyante. At naghahanap sila ng bagong opportunities. Hello guys, you wanna be part of the video?
Hi!
So I have a show in the Philippines. So I'm just going around the world and just interviewing people about AI. I'm gonna ask you, what are you guys doing? Are you students? You're students,
Yeah,
right?
we are students.
And why are you here in the event? What are you
We are attending
expecting?
this event for having a good experience and just collecting all the good memories from that.
Is there anything specific that you're looking into?
Yeah, we are
Perhaps-
definitely looking for AI technology and very good experiences what we can have at alternative modes.
And perhaps job opportunities in the future, right?
Yeah, of course, we need to show all that.
Are you guys studying, what are you studying?
We all are studying information technology.
In which university?
It's IT. It's an institute.
Okay, cool. All right.
Yeah.
Do you have any message to other students around the globe about AI? Because India would be, I think they're very fast in terms of learning new technologies. Right?
Yeah.
And there are other young people who are scared. They don't know what to do. I think Indian people or young Indian people should have a message for others.
Yeah, sure. Be curious as much as you can. Be loud and clear. Whatever you want to tell them. Or you can just experience all the stuff, whatever you want to. Definitely going to have so many opportunities if you tell everyone and ask everyone. That you will get so many experiences and you will just learn about all the stuff. And curiosity is the best way to learn something. That's
go.
the Indian youth will have and should have.
Correct. Yeah. So stay curious and continue learning.
Yeah, of
Thank you
course.
so much.
Bye-bye.
What's your name?
My name is Sameer and I am from Institute Training Institute.
And what are you looking forward to?
Actually, I'm looking for how AI is developing our country and helping the students to get more reach in their field and growing their company. And basically, I am going to start my own company
Wow.
in AI. Like
Okay.
I have seen many of the people who are struggling with daily problems with their health.
Yes.
Like they are not taking medicine on time and they are forgetting something. So the AI will be remembering them the things and they will be helping you in like chatbot, like
Yes.
API. I will be using API because it will take more time and I don't have this much knowledge. So I will use API.
Right.
This will help me to get more easier and quick.
What is your message for people who are still scared? They don't know what to do. They sometimes they hate AI.
Yeah.
Right. What
Don't
can you
hate
say?
AI. AI is our future.
Yes.
Work with that. Don't blame on it. You will be working with AI and be growing your wealth and your mind.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Take care. Enjoy.
We are here for exploring opportunities because we are students and we also want to enhance our capability in the terms of AI
Yeah.
and tech industries. And we find here a lot of opportunities by talk directly to the owner of the companies. And they also provide us feedback as well, like going in the robotics as much are interesting as compared to the other fields. Robotics is more interesting as compared to the thing like coding on the screen and do more screening work as compared to the practical work. I think practical work is
Right, of
more
course.
easy, more technical and more interesting as compared to the screening work.
I think AI is not replacement of human.
Of course, it's not.
It's not. We need to work with AI.
Yeah.
We don't depend on AI. So I don't think so. AI is more dangerous for employees.
Yeah. Actually,
I
there will be more jobs
I see here most of the people are work with AI.
already. Like
Already,
the level
huh.
is already.
Huh.
You're doing
They're
it.
doing they
Huh.
level up themselves by doing the prefer the work of with AI.
Yeah.
They are doing a smart work, not a hard work.
Yeah. Smart work.
Uh,
Yeah, I think that's the thing that people need to hear.
yes.
It's smart work over hard work.
So we are part of what we call as the AI and Emerging Technology Society. So we have established in Manipur, but we are trying to expand across India also. The whole main aim of this society is to have help people in the grassroots AI, right? So AI as such is a powerful technology and is going to impact a lot of people, right? But most of the people doesn't know what AI can do at the moment right now, right? So that is why, right, we want to educate people starting from small kids to up till 50, 60 or even more older people, right, to understand, make them understand the impact of AI that is going to happen, right? And that is why we have created this society to kind of help all those things, right? So along with the education, we're also trying to make sure that they use AI ethically, for example, right? They use AI in the right way, the proper way, and AI doesn't misuse them, right? So right now we are trying to interact with the government, right, through them. So they have, let's say if you want to put AI into, like say the primary schools, right? So we talk with them and then we say how much we can impact them, how much all those things are there. Besides that, we also do some private outreach program that we do, we actually go to schools and other places also to even implement that, yeah, corporate and all that as well.
Malinaw kong nakita ang kahalagahan ng inobasyon, bilis ng pagkilos at kahandaan ng mga kabataan sa paggamit ng artificial intelligence. Kapansin-pansin ang aktibong partisipasyon ng mga startup at mga mag-aaral sa paglikha ng mga bagong solusyon gamit ang teknolohiya. Isa itong paalala na mahalagang mapalakas din sa Pilipinas ang suporta sa AI, edukasyon at makabagong pag-iisip upang mas maraming Pilipino ang maging handa sa hinaharap. Samahan ninyo po akong muli sa susunod na AI on the road. Kung mayroon po kayong mga upcoming events, AI products, o mga inisyatibong nais ninyong maibahagi sa aming palabas, message lamang po kayo. Muli ako po si Mac Florendo, the Voice of Magic. Maraming salamat po at ito ang AI on the Road.